Hello sightseers and road trippers. Our destination on this road trip is Atak, Benguet. We are spending a few days with cousins from Manila to get away from the hot weather. We are chilling and do some sightseeing in Baguio first and later on drive up to Atak, Benguet. But the highlight of this video is the road trip. We'll show what it's like driving up there, the roads and sceneries, and maybe the skill sets needed to drive up these legendary roads. This is the Skyway. It goes over one of busiest streets in the world, in Manila. This elevated highway system significantly reduces travel time across Manila, providing a fast route for motorists navigating the heavily congested roads of the city. This highway takes you from Alabang to Balintawak in 20 minutes or less. On the roads below, it will take you hours. We talked about the Skyway in one of our videos.
Nasaan na tayo ni?
Ordaneta City.
We are in a convoy of 2 vehicles up to Baguio City where we are staying. We'll spend a few days there and continue on to Atak in 1 vehicle. The cousins want to spend time together. This will be a great driving experience, but stick until the end to see our spectacular final destination up in Atak, the Northern Blossom Flower Farm. Driving from Manila to mountains of Benguet has become significantly easier and faster due to the development of new roads and expressways. The improvements in infrastructure have eased the journey, reducing travel time and enhancing overall driving comfort. The Skyway from Alabang to Balintawak. The North Luzon Expressway, NLEX. The Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, SCTEX. And the Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway, TPLEX, are the 4 major road developments that have made traveling to the mountain regions faster and easier than ever.
TPLEX.
Shakies.
Ay, saan tayo mag-lunch?
Ha?
Gutom ka na ba?
At this circle in Rosario La Union, you have a choice of which route you prefer. I've never experienced neither one of them. One route may be more challenging than the other, or it is a matter of preference and it depends on what you want to see or experience. Both will take you into the heart of Baguio City.
So tapos na yung ano, tapos na yung expressway, ano? Wala nang expressway ngayon. Nasa local road na tayo, no? Nasa expressway. All the way up to Baguio. Mira nga ako ng CCTV. Ganda, look at that.
Wow, nice. Yung camera.
Tagal ko na hindi nakakita to.
Ang lapit naman.
Hindi,
Kailan yung last upload mo?
tagal na. Bata pa sila Sean. Oo. Hindi kami nakabalik dito. Siguro Sean mga 12 years old. 11.
O, iba-iba na yung upload, ano?
Oo. Ay, hindi, especially yung ano,
Malamig pa
reflex.
siya nun. Kasama pa
Pero-
natin si Mami at si Nang.
Mm.
that was the last time. Yeah.
Tagal, no?
Long time ago.
Hindi ako, pero si Lulu nakabalik na rito kasi.
Ay, tayo.
Si Lulu, oo. Pero ako hindi. Ako.
Kasama din natin si Mami nun eh. Ay, ano ba tayo mistake? Yung dati yung condo.
Hindi mo ako na makakailan.
Nakita. Milk tea.
Bagay.
Ayun na. Meron akong, may tinapay ako niya, meron chips. Nalimutan ko dalhin yung ano, yung cheese. Ako din. Nalimutan ko dalhin para sa bread. Walang palaman. Nalimutan mo rin. Tapos sila kuya. Sa zigzag. Sa Cebu eh.
Tahimik sila na.
Tahimik.
Nang tibo sila eh.
Ako lang ang madalda.
Kaya magkukwentuhan eh. Tapos sinabi may zigzag.
From here, everything will be going uphill. Although the whole country is undergoing a nationwide road widening program, there is not much they can do in these highways that lead up to the mountain provinces, or the lack of money thereof limits what the government can do. It will be mostly two-way single lanes all the way up, which makes it necessary to pass slow-moving vehicles. Most of them carrying heavy merchandises, which dramatically reduce their speed, especially uphill. Passing could be tricky at times due to many blind spots caused by zigzagged road.
Hello, Jim. Hello? 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 Text ka lang. Hello?
Pasalubong center.
Ay, sino ba ito? Si Alvin.
Pasalubong center.
Magkano ba mo kunin mo? Sige. Pamaya-maya kanina offline eh. Try ko ulit maya-maya.
Tuloy.
Kanino ko i-deposit? Kay Jimmy? O sige. Okay, sige. Dumalaw sa ano? Sabi namin, punta tayong baka, Jerry ko. Sinundo na.
We are on our way to Attock. The roads are a little narrower than the ones going up to Baguio. The journey from Baguio to Attock Benguet involves traversing a scenic and mountainous route that offers breathtaking views but also requires careful driving due to its challenging terrain and traffic patterns. From Marcos Highway, we'll be taking the Halsema Highway, which is the main road to Attock. Known for being one of the highest altitude highways in the Philippines, Halsema Highway offers stunning views of the Cordillera Mountains. The road winds through picturesque landscapes, terraced vegetable farms, and local communities. However, there are a fair amount of traffic going up and down the mountains. Farming materials, especially fertilizer, are being hauled up on a regular basis. Farm produce such as vegetables and flowers are also being hauled south as far as Manila to be sold in the market. So we'll be expecting challenges along the way. It will be fun.
3 days.
3 days.
Biyahe.
Wala muna Philadelphia, tapos minto kami sa Harrisburg, Maryland. From where?
Saan, ma'am?
Philadelphia to
Ako, Philadelphia.
Chicago. Philadelphia to Chicago.
Sa Harrisburg, ano lang, days lang. Tapos Chicago daw kami natulog.
Jeff, ang gas natin, ayos na yan. Baka na tayo maubusan.
Nagpatay kami. Tinara namin si anak ni Victor, si Lisa.
Lisa.
Nag-meet kami somewhere.
So, ang free doon, yung 3
Yeah.
hills.
Kaya mo na ano dito.
Mamaya, tataas na naman.
Mabaw na to, pagpapabagay. Ayan na yung mga greenhouses. Sa kanan. Baka mga ano na yung mga pangkayan.
Malapit na ba tayo? Ilang minutes?
Paano mo na ba
Hindi
tayo?
pa.
40 minutes.
Sa Atok na tayo?
Parang,
Atok?
are we there yet?
1 or 15 minutes pa.
1 hour? 1 hour na po. Kasi syempre, mabagal na.
Buti pala hindi rin kasama si Rose. Baka sumuka yun.
Oo. Oo nga, no?
Mayroon pa, abutin ang gabi nila.
Ako dito.
Ayun, may mga kulang buo. Ano mga tanim?
Buti hindi ako sa gitna. Pwede niyo hawakan si Auntie.
Ba't nahihilo ka ba?
Ganito.
Ha? Nakakahilo ka na.
Wag na lang kayong tumigil. Wag na lang kayo tumigil ng kwentuhan. Para ma-distract kayo.
Dalawa yan.
Hawak sa akin. Ito naman nakasit na kasi Mena.
Wala.
Wala
Nakaawa ka dito. Ikaw ang seatbelt mo ka dyan.
May seatbelt kayo dyan.
Papadala ko sa'yo ito, Jeff. Yung driving mo.
Alas 12 na. Lunch time na.
Ayan o, start na kayo. Start ka pa yun. Saan na kayo dyan? Wala pa sumusuka.
Hello, hello.
Pagagaling. Pagagaling niya. Ano yung thank you very much? Hindi, zigzag pa rin. Ganda-ganda.
Ubus na. Ang bilis naman na ngayon pala.
Ano yung candy ko?
Ayoko. Gusto ko may lasa.
Mas halo-halo sa kanya. Oo.
Kasi lalay mo malit pa yan. Sabi ko.
Meron ka na siyang bulak.
Pag ito na wala.
Sa akin ang magbusak.
Ewan ko lang. Managdal mo. Bakit ang bata pa rin managdal yan?
Ay, talaga. Dalawang lasa yung magbusak.
Talaga, dalan mo malit pa yan. Ano ba yan? Ano ba ako rin?
Ayaw yan ang magpakain sa candy.
Saan na tayo?
Maganda yung buwan.
Lalagyan ka namin ng tweet.
Oo nga.
The journey from Baguio City to Atok, Benguet, primarily along the Halsema Highway, passes through several towns and barangays that showcase the region's stunning landscapes and cultural heritage. From Baguio, you'll be passing La Trinidad, which immediately north of Baguio. La Trinidad is known for its strawberry farms and vegetable plantations. It is the capital of Benguet Province. Next is Tublay. It is a smaller town known for its natural attractions and cultural heritage, where you can find Embongdolan Caves and Tool Hot Springs. There is also Kapamang, which is known for its scenic spots and traditional practices. It features Mount Mangacu and Bridal Veil Falls.
Dito na wala. Wag mo siya atakin masyado. Yan na yun.
Huwag daw atakin, sa ulit ko.
Viewpoint.
I love Ambassador.
Ay, hindi pala viewpoint.
Ano pa bilis mo lobat?
Malayo pa tayo. Ito lang. I'm getting good
Hour.
Gano'n kalayo pa tayo?
1 hour.
1 hour pa?
Ayun, malapit na pala.
Sabihin, ulo tayo.
Yung sa truck na sinusundan natin, malado.
Oo nga, ang time gag pa yun.
Maghahagis ng tali sa taas, tapos akala mo yung pala hinihila ka ng tali. Yung plat lang tinutulak na eh.
Uy, yung mga katabi ko sleeping room. Ako din.
Uy, meron tayong mamon. Oo, 12:30 na.
Ayun ka yung orange.
Nasaan?
Ay, maliliit yung content. Asan yung mamon?
Gat-gat. Gat-gat. O, dyan pwede makabot. Nakahimit ko ito ba? Monde. Ilan ba yan? 10? Ano tayo? Sobrang dalawa. Ha?
Ito. Ito? Baka
Tambok na o. Kasi kapag ano eh, di ba? Oo, maano na. Pupunta natin.
magkano nila. Mafia baboy yan natin. Dada. Isak na ito.
Ay, ito pala na ito. Kasi kay Jeffrey.
Ayun.
O, munggo. Ah, sa labas ito.
Tiis pa rin ito yan.
Lagi singing sa likod. Ano, ganyan niya lang. Ganyan lang pa.
Hindi nga yan. Hindi ako nakabili.
Lagi singing. Ayan, ito yan, yung ano, kundol. Kundol, patolang. Kundol. Hawak-hawak ka kami na.
Madalang na ako makakain ng kundol.
Okay, kain na madami yan.
Ganyan kayo pa dyan.
Yung, nalir tayo para sukan.
Nag-stay kami sa...
Wala pa.
Nag-stay kami sa...
Yan ba sa kopya
Shangri-La
mo?
kami na nene. Shangri-La. At doon siya naman yung kanilang breakfast eh. Kasama na yata yung lunch, no? So, tinuro na namin ang kain.
Dapat ang buong kayo. Gusto ba niya, Nelio? Ayaw ko nyo mo yung candy lang yun eh. Kasama yung destination. Hindi naman. Ginawa mo na. Puro ka reklamo. Ikaw yung malapit.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
My name is John Mancini.
John Mancini. Mancini, exactly, the musician. Wow, yeah.
Sunshine Mancini.
Right.
She's from here, Atto. My wife, Sunshine. And we're a little short-staffed, so I hope you guys enjoyed the food.
Yeah.
And we usually have someone downstairs doing it, but we're short-staffed.
That was a nice restaurant that we found. It is still new. We had some authentic Filipino food that tasted just like home. The ladies enjoyed the halo and Jeffrey with the buttered shrimp that he peeled so meticulously. We will come back on our way down for a light supper. Unfortunately, the smoke from the forest fire will linger for a while, affecting visibility in the area and our video quality as well.
5,000.
That's why.
Ah, 1 hectare.
So 1 acre is 5,000. Half na yung isang hektarya. 5,000.
Hectares ka. It's 10,000.
So, mapapansin mo, ano sino ba yung
I don't know about acres. Acres is ano yun eh. English kasi yun eh. Hectares tayo eh. Acres sa US. Hectares
Ano
tayo.
kasi yun? Metric tayo eh.
Sila. English.
kakain tayo himpla.
Hindi, I think nahilo ata sila sa...
Traffic.
Ano?
Traffic dun.
Oo, kasi may ano eh.
Malamig na hangin.
Hindi kaya tayo mag-aircon.
Baka mainit dyan. O buksan niyo yung bintana. Yung bintana dyan sa pinto, maliit.
Except ko. Press mo.
Talaga parang nadaparan at yung
6
nadaparan nila
minutes.
yung daan.
6 minutes away na lang.
6 minutes away.
We are nearing our destination. Well, what do you think? Do you think you'd want to come here? Or maybe you have. Please tell us about what you think and your own experiences. Just keep in mind that there are a few number of things you can see and do in and around Attock, not to mention our final destination, which you will see if you keep on watching. We enjoyed it a lot because this is what we do. We are sightseers and road trippers. Thank you for watching.
Dito pa papunta yung ano? Oo. Pwedeng pumasok dito.
Ang ganda ng view.
I can live here.
Northern Blossom Flower Farm, located in Attock, Benguet, is a renowned destination known for its breathtaking flower fields set against the backdrop of the Cordillera Mountains. Situated at a high altitude, this farm offers a cool climate ideal for growing a variety of blooming flowers. The farm is a popular spot for photography enthusiasts and tourists seeking to experience the beauty of vibrant blooms and panoramic mountain views, as you can see. I got carried away and took so much photos and videos here that I didn't leave anything for your imaginations.
Saan kayo? Kilala kita.